Hi, my name is Tricia Josephs. I'm the Community Schools Programmer at Franklin and Brookside Elementary Schools. In honor of birthday, I'm going to show you how to make an easy mini greenhouse right inside your home with some items you probably have on hand. So I've already put some potting soil in my egg carton here and added my little flower seeds on top. I'm going to add just a little more dirt to cover them. Make sure you check the back of your seed packet. These particular seeds only need about 1/8 of an inch of dirt over the top, so just making sure they're covered. And then I am going to go ahead and spray some more water over the top of them. And take my plastic bag to cover it. The benefit of making a small greenhouse for your seeds is it will keep your seeds warm if you set it in the sun, but still also keep moisture in, so you won't have to water them or check them daily. But you can just set it in the window and then check back and see them sprout. Thank you.